watu wa vyama vyote watatumia hii barabara. Ni kweli ama si kweli?
Kagoit let tetutik tugul chebo keker kele kaisulda igorta nebo Eldoret SK Show netetat kotoi kong'ete tarik 5 agoi tarik 8 nebo arawetab somok kenyini. Kong'ololjin sirikab logoiwek eng Eldoret SK Showground, komwa nebo ng'echoret eng SK Susan Seron kole agoi nguni kokosirgei exhibitors chenekit 200, kit nekamwa kole kokosir kaitet nebo exhibitors chekimitei eng kenyit nekosirtoi, ole kamwa kole chobotin tetutik tugul nebo kotoigei igorata komie. Kinyoru reports kobun Timothy Kiplimo.
Kamwa nebo ng'echeret en Eldoret ASK Show Susan Seron kole kakoit let tetutik tugul cheitorchingei kasuldaetab kabartaetab tugukab imbar eng Eldoret, ole tetat kotoigei show noto kong'ete kasitab somok tarik 5 kotom koyat kandoindet nebo emet President William Ruto en kasitab 5 nebo tarik 7.
Tayari akobo ng'alekab show, ngiker batenyu komi biik groups kabisa Demoplos che ready, ako kimeche kemwa kele obwa sitinyo lanan tuguk chechang eng show, nyonetkei kora ng'alekab biashara, ng'alekab agriculture ak ng'alekab new technologies ak new innovations. Show kotaugei next week kong'ete tarik 5 arap somok akoi tarik 8 arap somok.
Ng'olyot neo netonondochin show nebo kenyini ko promoting climate smart agriculture and trade initiatives for sustainable economic growth, ole kamwa Seron kole kimong'u koitita exhibitors chesire 200 igorta nebo ASK Show nebo kenyini.
Team nebo this year kong'etu kuyo kou team corona ni for 5 years, so hii ni mwaka ya 3. The team will be promoting climate smart agriculture and trade initiatives for sustainable economic growth. And gates charges chebo gate kubwani biik kong'etu kora ku kenyisiek chun alak makiwal. En ngobwa lagok ko inegei ko siling 200 and ko siling 200, lakini ngobwa ku grupit ku lagokab sukul chekasir grupitab chekasir 10 ko siling 150, lakini kora ko adults biik che echen ngonyo inegei ko 250, lakini ngobwa ku grupit sityo osich olipan 200 ko chupa kidogo.
Kosubkei ak tetikab igorata ko kimong'u koitita temik chesire 40,000 igorata bo kabartaetab tugukab imbar, kit nekamach ichek biikab boror komongei en chong'indo asikonyorune kelchin konetisiet ak naet nemite barak nebendi konyoru ichek en igorata.
We are expecting around more than 40,000 farmers to attend the show. That is outside the students. The show was, and we have confirmed information that the cooperatives will be attending. We measured on the cooperatives.
Akot saizi keng'ololi kotesetai kobwoni exhibitors nyokobukeni space neng'wanget, ako noton nekonu boiboiyet amun ngobwa exhibitors kochang'a kou kele nginyo kutoka inyoni kong'ete asubuhi saa 12 akoi jioni ngiwektoigei ko kainetkei tuguk chebo kwang'ut.
Kong'ete nganaset nebo Eldoret en county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass TV, kaninyu ko Timothy Kiplimo.
Kakomangei alak eng ogiliek eng taonitab Nakuru akoesio ng'alalutik chekomwa kele maget nebo keisto kirwogik chebo kapkirwok nebo barak anan Supreme Court kotinygei ak bororiondit ak bolotet netesetai eng emet. Ng'ololen ofisinyi komwa ogiliot nenaat kou Bernard Kipkoech Ng'etich kole kang'ung'unyet nekiib kwataitab kibagengeit nesire kirwogik Judicial Service Commission Abdinasir Abdullahi koboto Nelson Havi kotinyegei ak kakwautiet nekibut ng'atutik kirwogichotok koter Abdinasir ak ogiliek chikoit taitab Supreme Court.
Kakotestai ng'alalet kotinygei ak magetab keistoen boisiet Chief Justice nebo emoni Martha Koome ak alak en kirwogik chebo kapkirwok neo nebo Supreme Court kotinygei ak yaetab boisiet nemwaat kele maisuldoen ichek kou ole magat. Kiwo ogiliot Nelson Havi taitab kibagengeit nesire en boisiet kirwogik nebo Judicial Service Commission komache keistoen boisiet kirwogik chebo Supreme Court kosubkei ak lelutik cheboto kalotunet nemaisuldoen boisienywan kou ole magat en kwenutab lelutik alak. Akot kounoton kokaimongei okiliot nenaat en taonitab Nakuru ako en kasar age kokimemba nebo board nebo LSK Kipkoech Arap Ngetich akokimit kole nyolu keisto en boisiet Justice Koome.
Ahmed Nasir ak associates chechiket ak clans chechiket komanai kole ne kesit nekitestai kikasau kinyas kityo koke koamusi kelenji maobwone reu konyokekasak ko clients koten kokiliondengwong ko Ahmed Nasir anan ko associates chechiket. Inoni kou nekamwa ko violation nebo a right to a fair hearing, inoni ko violation of the right to access to justice under Article 48 akamache amwa ale kisupporteni petitions chumwoe kole kiisto judges chebo Supreme Court kondochin Martha Koome amun yon itindoi Supreme Court nemoisibi katiba nekamumech katiba komumechoksei emoni amun icheket ko to chekikuren custodians chebo constitutionalism ak tekiset nekitekisi sheria en emetab Kenya. Mwoe biik alak kole manyolu kimut judges chebo Supreme Court anan ko chebo kotini agetugul koba Judicial Service Commission amun en ng'alek chekikuren decisional independence. En oloteben ko decisional independence komwoe kole ingen sheria komie kirwokindet nerwoche, kakokas baornatet nebo biik chemiten tainywan, biik chekirwokyin, biik chemoche sikerat anan biik chemoche sikeyete nafasi koba kapkirwok. Decisional independence komakile ingete kirwokindet ak keamuan kit nekeamuan. For example, imwa ile clients chebo Ahmed Nasir komakikochin nafasi en Supreme Court amun okiliondenywan ko Ahmed Nasir anan ko kwa mfano Nyakundi neboisie ak Ahmed Nasir. Non ako violation nebo katiba nebo emetab Kenya.
Kong'eten county nebo Nakuru, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyun ko Sylvester Rono.
Kakotestai kurset eng chemung'arainik chebo emetab Japan kobwa emoni akotoi mung'aroshek eng sectors cheterter chebo bandab tai. Kamwa minister nebo tilyandit sang Musalia Mudavadi kole chang boroinwek chebo mung'aret chebitunotin eng Kenya ako notok kotache mung'arainikab Japan ak chebunu emotinwek alak. Ng'ololi ine eng ming'atetab kiyokindetab Japan eng emoni Matsura Hiroshi eng orto nebo Japanese National Day.
The number of the Japanese businesses in Kenya now exceeds 120. Since from 2011, the number has been in secular increasing trend and quadrupled. All contribute to the Kenyan economic growth and employment. The modernization of Mombasa Port and the construction of Dongokundu SEZ testify Japan's determination to work together with Kenya. Your Excellency, we keep welcoming enthusiastic Japanese businesses to Kenya, one after another. I call them hidden gems glowing because their operations are still small, quietly serve for the local and national economy in inconspicuous ways, but brilliantly shine in their expertise. Kenya research and development have climbed up to the global competitive stage, as illustrated by the medical research at KEMRI, geothermal power generation in Olkaria, and the numerous digital innovations by Kenyan startups. Kenya should take pride, and Japan will continue to go along with the Kenyan journey for global excellence. Your Excellency, last month, my government established its permanent mission to the international organization in Nairobi. This elevation of Japan's representation at UNON reflects the growing importance Japan attaches to UNEP, UN Habitat, and other UN organizations which reside at UNON.
I am aware that more Japanese delegations are expected in March 2025 for continued engagements on issues of mutual benefit. We welcome them with open arms and encourage Japanese investors to continue exploring the abundant opportunities in Kenya, including emerging sectors of our economy such as agro-processing, financial services, ICT, and the green energy sector. Kenya continues to value and actively participate in the Japan collaboration with Africa through the Tokyo International Conference on African Development, TICAD framework. In August 2024, we participated at the TICAD ministerial meeting in Tokyo, and this year, in August 2025, we look forward to our continued participation at the TICAD 9 summit in Yokohama. As part of the TICAD outcomes, the government of Kenya is keen to facilitate public-private partnerships to create optimum value for mutual benefit between the Kenyan and Japanese public-private sectors. I would like to affirm that Kenya is committed to addressing any existing challenges by undertaking economic reforms at the macro and micro level to attract more investments and deepen economic partnerships. The two friendly states will build on the people-to-people relations, creating strong bridges between our nations. At the multilateral level, I note with pleasure that Kenya and Japan continue to work very closely on areas of mutual interest, including support for strengthening the United Nations Office, Nairobi, UNON, and the collective agenda to reform the UN Security Council.
Chitap kalenjin kakichuk chotok emetab logoiwek chok chebo emet kakemuch kebun kong'eten studio nebo Kass TV kikurena Jacqueline Aruse ak amagun kit age tugul nemie.
With the WRC Safari Rally 2025, rev Visha and feel the roar.